It's entering to Green Avenue. The way to Green Avenue, where we have the tunnel in Aba. Here's the tunnel. It has been closed. You can see the tunnel from here. It has been closed. Here's the chamber. Here's the tunnel. Beneath this place is tunnel. Tunnel goes under this streets. There's a tunnel under. This is another chamber of the tunnel. Another chamber. I have an interview with this man. Yeah, good morning, sir. How's work going? So they've closed the tunnel. Where does it lead to?
It's leading to the river, but it's not yet there.
Okay. Where have you people stopped? Where did you stop?
Down there.
Okay, stop down there.
Yeah.
Okay. So hope the work is really progressing very, very well. So what do we say to electricity?
It's a man.
What?
They have done what many have not done.
Yes. Yes, and
shown that dance.
Okay. So what will you do if the election comes in 2027? Who will you vote for again?
One don't need to ask.
Okay.
Have seen where to go.
Okay.
Don't need to ask where to go again.
Okay.
We have done many people have not done what since they are there.
Okay.
So I don't see what to do. Someone to ask me if we are to come out again.
Okay.
It's carry on now.
Okay. Could you, if you wouldn't mind, can we have your face on the camera?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the one of the contractors, the driver that gets the sound to feel the streets.
Yes.
What's the name, sir?
I'm in kitchen,
Okay. Thank you, sir. Okay. We're still going. Here the tunnel stopped. A work in progress. I give many thanks to the governor, Lex Soti, for work well done. for great relief that I have given to the inhabitants of this place. This is still part of the tunnel, one of the biggest tunnel in Abia State. It's one of the biggest tunnel in Abia State, built by Alex Oti, the present governor of this state. The tunnel will run from here to the hospital, to General Hospital. You can see it. We have transformed Aba precisely to digital state in Nigeria. Hello sir, can we interview you? No, you are the inhabitant of this place, right? Where do you surround this place? Where do you stay?
Me? I don't even stay. I've come to buy water here.
Okay, come to buy water. Then I want to talk to you.
What do you want me to say?
Okay. Based on what is happening here, what is your say to the governor?
Well, as for me, as for my own opinion, the governor is really doing well for this state. But most of the people, they don't appreciate the work of governor, but the governor is trying. Okay. I believe any movement from that will through with this war by the grace of God, maybe they can able to give them more other jobs in this Aba.
Okay.
Thank you.
So we say thank you to Governor Alex Oti,
yeah,
for what has been doing to this state.
Yeah, it's really trying.
Yes.
It's God said for
Abia State. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you for
Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you.
All right, sir.